Welcome to Setenil de las Bodegas, a village in southern Spain where the cliffs themselves become part of the homes. Nestled in the heart of Andalusia, this extraordinary town lies along the River Trejo, which winds through a narrow gorge splitting the village in two. Over centuries, the people of Setenil learned to live with the land rather than against it, carving their houses directly into the limestone rock. The result is a breathtaking blend of nature and architecture: whitewashed walls tucked beneath massive stone overhangs, streets shaded by cliffs, and a sense of wonder around every corner. Walking through Setenil feels like entering a hidden world, where sunlight glints off the river and cool shadows embrace the cobblestone lanes. Setenil's history runs deep, astonishingly deep. Archaeologists have found evidence of human activity in the local caves dating back to the Stone Age, around 12,000 years ago. Today, about 3,000 residents still call this place home, many living in the same cave houses that have sheltered generations before them. Even the town's name carries its story. Setenil is believed to come from the Latin septem nihil, meaning 7 times nothing, a nod to the 7 failed attempts by Christian forces to capture this stronghold from the Moors during the Reconquista. De las Bodegas, or of the wineries, was added later, reflecting the town's history of wine production and the many cave cellars that once stored its famous vintages. Setenil de las Bodegas is more than just a village. It's a testament to human creativity and harmony with the natural world, a place where history, beauty, and everyday life are carved into the very rock itself. Thank you so much for watching.